Greetings, short video to clear up some confusion about problem 11 on page 63 of the textbook. So given the following two tables, complete the third table, show work in the table cell for each column. The first one is done for you. Well, that's a little confusing because actually the first two were done for us and they didn't even finish them. So what the heck here? So what do we need to do? So what's our work here? Well, the thing to remember is how function notation works, okay? So if we look at this part of the f function right here in the table, just so I can get the right color pen here for you, what we see is that we're given what the value of f of 4 is. So f of, not f of 4, f of 0, I'll give you the answer in the question. F of 0 is equal to 4. Right here, looking at this table, this says that f of 1 is equal to 3. And here it says f of 2 is equal to negative 2. And here we have f of 3 is equal to 0. And then here we have f of 4 is equal to 1. Okay, so that same thing down here with the g function. So we've got g of 0 is equal to 6. G of 1 is equal to negative 3. G of 2 is equal to 4. And G of 3 is equal to negative 2. And last but not least, G of 4 is equal to 2. All right, so now what they want us to do is do a table where we come down and explain to them or give them the value of f of x plus g of x. So that says basically add the y values. So really what f of 0 plus g of 0 says, it says take 4 plus 6. And the reason we know that, the reason what's going on there is because, well, what? Take a look. What is g of 0? G of 0 is 6, right? What is f of 0? Well, f of 0, that's 4. Okay, so we know that if we take the sum of 4 plus 6, we're going to get back 10. So that's the glorious answer on that one. That one's 10. So let's go a little bit faster in this one. We know f of 1, that's equal to 3. G of 1, that's equal to negative 3. We add those two together, my equals here by the way, add those two together, we're going to get back at 0. All right, let's keep going and doing this. So this is going to be what? We want to know what f of 2 plus g of 2 is equal to. Well, f of 2 is negative 2. G of 2, we discovered that's 4, so that's going to result in 2. Now they want to know what is f of, oh, my bad there. Let me go switch that for a second. I'm going to erase that. I want to put my f first. So let's erase that g and get an f in there like we're supposed to have there. Okay, so that's f of 3 plus g of 3. Well, f of 3 plus g of 3, that's 0 plus negative 2. Which, when we do that addition, we're going to come back out with a negative 2. All right, last but not least, we've got f of 4 plus g of 4, and that's going to be 1 plus 2, which is going to give us back a 3.